We should not leave the sport in the hand of the Igbo alone. The two African Cup of Nations we went to, the first one in Cote d'Ivoire and this one is Igbo show. And anything that is Igbo content or anything, we can't get anything too good there. So we should mix everything. Let the job in their area, let it have football academy. So that anytime, any day, they can call from any camp to come and represent Nigeria. It will be a thing of honor, not somebody coming from, Sime was leaving the full 10 minutes at the end of the match, to avoid playing a penalty. And all the good ones, then I bring the people playing the central back and the back 4 and 5 to come and play. What they did in Egypt, why don't they do it to the time of Morocco? Well, they have been settled. So even the king of Morocco, they've said to everybody, even CAF and everything, kudos to the people of Senegal, who's although they're going to pay a lot of fines, they're going to humiliate them, they're going to deal with them, but that doesn't mean who won the 2025 World CAF Cup, Senegal.
Then our people were disappointed, coming third in the tournament.
Yeah, but they don't need to be disappointed.
No, you sir.
Yes, also because they said they should play through the wingers and everything. What the law said they should do, they didn't do it. You know why your number 7, number 9 is active? Your number 9, your number 7, number 11, if it's active, they can dribble, they can. Look at what they said before they gave that man title, Mathematica or Degbami. So that is it. And during that time too, during the time of Odegbami, there have been a mass fixing. Because the other man, what's the name of this referee the other time? He's already gone. He said, Odegbami, the match is about 20 minutes to go. Your money will go. So dribble enter the 18. Odegbami did 1, dribble 2, dribble 3, dribble the 4th one. And it's a penalty. It's just settled. So you hear in Ibadan, ICC will beat Rangers. Then when they get to the East, Rangers will beat again. It's the same thing. But this the one of nowadays is more tougher because the betting has made football another. It took soccer to another realm of where football tournament can lead to the Third World War.
But sir, at this point in time, can we still have the likes of Rashidi Yekini, Mutiu Adepoju?
Unless we have the academy. If we have about 20 academy in Lagos, that means we have number 9, 20. We have number 7, 20. Number 11, 20. Then we have them again in Ibadan. We have them in Ondo State. Everybody will be even raising to have a jersey. So not that we are looking for Osimhen to be released. We are looking for, look how they should go back to the pattern of West House and Kojo Williams. What Kojo did to Kwara when he was handling the football academy. So that's what we needed back.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, wòlíì Marcus Kọ́rọ̀délé Olúwatómísì Tibetan tún ti gbóhùn Ọlọ́run. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti kọ gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ lẹ́sẹẹsẹ sínú ìwé àpilẹ̀kọ. Èyí tó máa kó jáde lọ́jọ́ Sátidé àbámẹ́ta ọjọ́ keje oṣù kejì ọdún. Ìwé àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ ọdún 2026 ni o nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ìyẹn CCC Elisha Cathedral 128 Celestial Way Sawiat Abúlé Ìrókò Ajégúnlẹ̀ bus stop lójúnà Ṣàngó sí Abẹ́òkúta gan ni ayẹyẹ ọ̀hún yóò ti wáyé. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti aago 11 òwúrọ̀. Ìwé ìtàn lásán kọ o, ìran ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dún 2026 ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kárí ayé lọ́wọ́jà ìran ọ̀hún dé. Olúwa ti wí, ọba àlàyé ti sọ̀rọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní sọ, kó lóun kò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ wá, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ pàdé Olúwa. Níbi tí a ó ti pàdé oníṣẹ́ àrà. Àwọn àlejò pàtàkì ọjọ́ náà ni gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Babájídé Sanwó-Olú àti olórí ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin Èkó, Right Honourable Mudashiru Obasa, bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn ọba àlàyé pàtàkì yìí máa wà níkàlẹ̀. Olúbàdàn ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn, ọba Abdulrasheed Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà, ọba Gbọ́láhàn Tímsìn Jagunmólú, ọba Adéwálé Dáúdù. Alága ìjókòó pàtàkì yìí ni Babaládùra Gabriel Babatunde Òkèyọmí JP. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho náà máa wà níbi níbi ìjókòó pàtàkì. Fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ láti ní ìwé àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ pàtàkì yìí lọ́wọ́, ẹ lè pe nọ́mbà yìí 08037171730 tàbí 08054853828. Ẹ tún lè pè sórí 08131120854. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ lè sanwó sínú àpò ìkówópamọ́ yìí 20057414883 First Bank CCC Elisha Cathedral. Gbogbo yín la pè ó níbi tí àwọn akọrin CCC Elisha Cathedral yóò ti kọrin ìdùnnú.